Hey, what's up? Isaac here with Launching Pros, and today we're going to be going through a very exciting step when starting your business, which is purchasing a domain. Now, you have to purchase a domain through what's called a domain registrar, and you've probably heard of some before, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, and SquareSpace. And today we're going to use SquareSpace. The reason why, although it's not the cheapest and it's not the most expensive either, but later on in the course, we're going to be building a website using Squarespace. So to purchase a domain through Squarespace and use their website builder, to connect those two together is going to be very, very simple. So we're all about easy here. We want to get you up and running as quickly and easily as possible. So that's what we're going to use. I believe Squarespace charges about $20 a year for a domain. So it's not too bad. They do offer free privacy registration, which is nice. So your personal details can be hidden if someone wants to try to look it up. And they do also offer, if you build your website through them, you have to host it. So that costs some money as well. But they have a plan to where if you purchase for a year in advance, they'll give you a year's worth of a domain for free. And then after that, they'll charge you $20 a year. So not too bad, especially when you can kind of start your business, see how it's going, and then you can decide from there whether you want to change out of Squarespace or stick with them. And yeah, the process should be pretty simple. So let's get started. I'm going to hop over to my computer here, and we are going to search for a domain name. So if you go to domains.squarespace.com, that'll take you to this landing page. And right under here is a start your domain name search here. So we are going to click on here, and we already know the website that we want. So we're going to do jetscreations.com. We're just going to hit enter, and it's going to tell us whether it's available or not. Luckily, this one is available. You can see it's $20 a year, although it looks like they're offering a small discount for $14 for the first year. So we got our jetscreations.com. We're going to go ahead and add that to the cart. It's going to ask you, do you want to add any variations? You certainly could do this. For right now, though, for this example, we are going to hit checkout. So it's going to want you to create an account. I would recommend, since we don't have a custom email yet, use some sort of Gmail account. This will come in handy later as we set up in the SEO portion of things. We will set up a Google Analytics account and a Google Webmaster Tools, now called Google Search Console. You'll need a Gmail address for that. So create one if you don't have one, or if you already have one and want to use it, you can do that here. So for me, I'm going to say continue with email. So I'm going to fill out this information right now, create my account, and then we'll come back and finish the purchase. Okay, so I've created my account now. Now it's time to check out. It's really simple, straightforward. So it's going to default to 3 years, it looks like. I'm just going to do 1 year. Save and continue. And it's going to have the registration information displayed here, and review it, make sure everything looks okay. And you're going to want to fill out things like your address. Now, keep in mind, this is the information that will be hidden because Squarespace offers free privacy registration, which is pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out, and then we'll come back. So after we've entered in the information, we're just going to go ahead and click Save and Continue. They're also going to want some billing information, so we're going to fill that out and be right back. And now we'll enter in our credit card information and then hit Save and Continue. Okay, so it's going to have you review your order. So review it, make sure everything looks good. I would also make sure to set a reminder in my phone or calendar that when it renews, that way if for whatever reason I don't want it after that year, I can go ahead and cancel and it doesn't charge me again. So when you confirm that everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm Payment, and it will say, thank you for your purchase. Okay, so after you purchase your domain, you'll be brought to this page here, which lists any other domains that you might own. In this case, we only own the one, and you'll see that there's an action required. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And basically it says you have 15 days to verify your email address. Verify the email address to prevent your domain from being suspended. So this is kind of an important step. So we're going to go ahead and open up our email, and we have 3 emails that we've received. One is to verify the SquareSpace account, which you would go on and copy the link on here, paste it in a web browser. So that will verify it. Then it also wants us to verify the domain contact here that we just saw. So we're going to go ahead and copy this link. We'll paste it in a new tab. And now it says email successfully verified. So we're going to go back to our domains list. And now it shows that our domain is active. So that's all you have to do. Now you are the proud owner of a new custom domain for your business. And in the following videos, we're going to go over how to set up a custom email address and then eventually as well a custom website.